Welcome back, students. We'll continue with the next topic. In the previous topic, we read about the majoritarianism in the Sri Lanka, and today we'll look after the accommodation in Belgium. Before starting about the accommodation in Belgium, how government run in the Belgium, we'll look after first thing that if you remember in the previous, you should have to remember that in the previous video we read about ethnic composition of Belgium. We read that in Belgium, Dutch speakers, French speakers and German speakers. As according to we discussed at the central level 59 Dutch speaker, 40 French speaker and 1% German speaker. Where we have seen in the capital of Belgium, that is the Brussels, where we are able to see that contrast effect of French and Dutch. French were 80% and 20 Dutch. Children, now what we are going to look after in Belgium. Here also the diversity is there in the language like Sri Lanka. Here also the percentage at the center and the state level is different. But see, so systematically Belgium government works and they remove the concept of conflict by getting to the point that everything should be equalized in this form that not a single language or any other community should suffer. Because of that reason, Belgium created a good example in the continent of Europe. We'll look after how Brussels is selected as the headquarter for the Europe continent. That is because of this only the way they have deal with their people, remove the conflict, settle up well, better form of democratic form of government. We'll see through this example. Children, Belgium, when before framing the who will lead the government, before that only they have decided that first we should have to look towards our people, look towards the diversity. We'll look after that how the people are there, how they are living. We'll discuss. First they set up committee, they set up here and they thought about the thing about this that how we should have to frame our constitution, how we'll lead and how we are able to remove the concept of conflict, which through the example of Sri Lanka we are able to see. Now Belgium, before starting it, they have took the different path. They have decided that we will give respect to all the languages, and the one thing they did it from between 1970 to 1933. 1970 to 1933, for the betterment of the people, they amended their constitutions. How many times? One time, two times? No, literally 4 times. For what reason? What they were doing the time pass? No, this is always wanted that their subject should live in a comfortable zone. So, for their comfort, to frame a proper constitution which will give a proper fundamental rights to every being, those who are living in Belgium, because of that reason, 1970 to 1993, they amended their constitutions for 4 times. Clear, children? The one good concept. And because of that, what happened? The people, those who were there, they were living together. They were giving respect to the government decision. And government policies also was in the favor of all being rather than one supreme community. They were thinking about that every policy should affect and should give privilege to every people equally. They were thinking that not a single community should be there of aliens. So this amendment affects a lot, and because of that the people in this Belgium living very comfortable life. Next we'll look after what they did it. As we have seen the ethnic composition at the central level and the state level. So they have given respect to both. They decided that will go in this regard, the ministers, those who will be elected in equal ratio Dutch and French. Even though the place is given to the German too, it means all ethnic compositions given equal respect. And because of that, they elected ministers and the reservation of seats equal in central and the state government. This is also helpful that there will be no conflict. Every community is one representative there in the parliament to take the decision. So here we are able to see that ministers shall be equal in the central and state government. This decision taken under the amendment of constitution, favorable for whom? For the public. Next we are able to see the next point what they did. What happened due to this, that every member of each member from different communities is there in the parliament. What will happen in that regard? Not a single community will take the decision. Surely it is mentioned that no single community can make decision unilaterally. Simple, it is unilaterally means it will not be in the favor of anyone and it should not be taken by any single community. It means the decision will be taken with the help of all diverse communities. Next we will look after where we have seen that in Sri Lanka, states were leading like subordinate to central government. But when constitution framed in Belgium, it is clearly amended that state government will not work as a subordinate to central government. They have their separate independent right. So very easy. So state is working for their development and central also some of the councils are working for in their work. It means nobody will interfere in the matter of each other, but if there is needed a guidance of central government to the state government or state government guidance to the central government, will be accepted their suggestions. We'll look after their suggestions. So the next one is also good. The state government are not subordinate to the central government. Then we are able to see the next is what? Not only this, Belgian government, even though given the permission of third kind of community government, which we are able to see in Belgium. We look after the central government is there, we have seen there is a state government, even though there is a permission of third type of government, that is community form of government. Now, problematic situation is there that the community form of government somewhat it is creating problem, but where the hold is in there in the hand of central and state, so because of that community government was not able to lead a lot. But somewhere it is complemented, but as according to situation which was created in Sri Lanka, compared with that, better position and well planned government was there in the Belgium. So the next we are able to see that the third kind of government of community government, which was very helpful in the regarding of cultural, educational and language related concept. This was solved by whom? Which community? Community government. So we are able to see that under the accommodation of Belgium, we have seen these many points. One more question answer will be asked to you that how many times the Belgian constitution amended? Correct? 4 times. Next it is asked, the ministers equal at central and the state government. Decision will not be taken by any unilateral community. State government will not work as a subordinate to the central government, and very important, that is the next one, community government, third kind of government was working in the Belgium. Now children, you tell me one thing, that if I compare Sri Lanka and Belgium, what you get? Which one is the better? Which has created an example in front of other countries? Belgium or Sri Lanka? You are absolutely correct. That is Belgium, where they have given equal representative concept, given respect to all the community, given respect to every wing. The plan, the government policies, the university position is equally distributed to all. Whether there is a percentage, German speakers 1% or the Dutch speaker 59% or the 40% French speakers, the diverse group in the central or the state, but they have given equal reservation to these diverse community. This is what the well work. Next, if I compare both the one, Sri Lanka and Belgium, what do you think? Which one is the better? Obviously the Belgium one. So can't you say that this type of government, democratic form of government, where it gives equal representation of other diversity, so that is the best one. So children, next we'll look after by power sharing. power should be shared in equal. This good example which we have seen of Sri Lanka, where power sharing was not equal. Because of that, Sinhal was the one who was leading and showing their supremacy, and the others were feeling the part of aliens. But a power sharing good example we are able to see in Belgium, where all peoples were living very comfortable life and conflict part was not there. Belgium, when it was working in a very good regard, because of that the work and their devotion towards and the management of their public, this place Brussels is selected as the headquarters for the Union of Europeans. So what do you think? Power sharing is good? Obviously power sharing is a good concept. So why power sharing is desirable? Because when power shared, conflict reduces. So what do you do? Reduce the possibility of conflict. Would be there, but not at every point. It reduces the possibility of conflicts. Next, we are able to see, due to this conflict, nobody will pass the no confidence like in Sri Lanka. The Tamils were not satisfied with the Sinhals, and because of that, in 1980, they asked for a separate state. So this is what, again, it is instability in political organization. So if power sharing is equal, so it ensures the stability of political order. Very important thing, conflict is not there, so the feeling of nationalism and unity of the nation we are able to see if power sharing is desirable. Next, we are able to see power sharing is spirit of democracy. Democracy is what? Spirit of democracy we read. Democracy means the government, if I am adopting democratic form of government, so my all activities, it will be like this, that democracy for the people. It's of the people and it's by the people. Means everything should be what I am thinking, for whom I am thinking, and who is the one who is thinking. This is all people, and they should have to think about this, that they are belonging from the same group. They are not superior, we all are equal under the concept of democracy. The spirit of democracy gives its own power sharing concept, that nobody will be like in vertical higher or lower or inferior. Next, we have legitimate government, where decision will not taken by any of the ministers. It is discussion is there. It takes time to take the decision, but simple when they are taking decision after doing a lot of discussion and debate. So we are able to see a good decision is forwarded to the public. So this is what the legitimate form of government, where decision is taken with the concern of citizens. Next, very important thing, we will look after the next reason. Reasons we will look after in the prudential. Now let us call the first set of reasons, that is the prudential and the moral. Prudential is one, please underline, maybe it is asked to you for one mark question answer. Prudential reasons stress that power sharing brings out better outcomes. It means discussion is there, debate is there, takes time, but proper decision is there. And even though moral, it means after a lot of discussion, the decision which is given to the public, that is moral, it means has some value, because the people, those who are discussing in the assembly, they always think about the betterment of the public. So we are able to see that power sharing is desirable in all these regards. Final question answer like this is after you. A short points which I have given to you, just take it, elaboration on these points. If the concept is asked to you why power sharing is desirable, or some of the time they will ask you this sentence, power sharing is spirit of democracy, clarify this sentence. So through this also you just have to write down these points. Where if it is asked to you about the majoritarianism of Sri Lanka, short notes. So in the previous video also I have given you some points. And if it is asked to you about the accommodation of Belgians, so please go through with these 5 points. So these 5 points will be very easy to you to understand, that through this you are able to elaborate the concept. Whether it is asking for 3 marks or for 5 marks, these points will be helpful to you. So children, just take a snapshot of this, so and make a notes of these points. So hope majoritarianism and accommodation in Belgium, this is clear to you. In the next video, we will look after how the power sharing should do, in which form. We will discuss